Ever struggled with packing for a trip, overwhelmed by what to bring and what to leave behind? We've all been there, staring at our open suitcase, feeling like we're playing a losing game of Tetris. But don't worry, we're about to turn that packing predicament into a piece of cake. We're going to share some efficient packing tips and hacks that will help you save space, time, and stress. So, buckle up for an easy guide to packing like a pro. First things first, a well-planned packing list is your best friend. Just like a trusty sidekick, it's there to ensure you're equipped for every twist and turn of your journey. Now, let's break down the essentials. Think of your packing list as a four-part symphony. The first movement, clothing. Be sure to check the weather forecast and plan your outfits accordingly. Remember, layering is key. Next up, toiletries. Travel-sized products are your best bet. They save space and follow airline restrictions. Then we have gadgets. Keep it minimal. Choose multifunctional devices to save space and avoid unnecessary hassle. The finale, documents. Passports, tickets, reservations. Keep all these in an easily accessible place. Whether you're a fan of good old pen and paper or prefer the digital route, use a checklist to track your progress. It's all about prioritizing and packing only what's necessary. Remember, it's not about packing more, but packing smart. Now for the fun part, packing hacks that save space. First up, let's ditch the old school way of folding clothes. Instead, try rolling them up. This method is not only a space saver, but also helps to keep your clothes free from wrinkles. Next, consider using packing cubes. These little wonders keep your suitcase organized, making it easier for you to locate items quickly. And the best part? They come in different sizes, allowing you to sort your belongings by type or activity. Lastly, let's talk about footwear. Shoes can take up a lot of space in your suitcase, but did you know you can use them for storage too? Stuff your shoes with socks, underwear, or any other small items. It's all about making the most of every inch in your suitcase. Remember, the key to efficient packing is maximizing space while keeping things organized. With these hacks, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit in your suitcase. Finally, always double-check your packing list before leaving. It's all too easy to overlook essential items in the hustle of departure. You wouldn't want to be miles away only to realize you've forgotten something crucial. So make sure to set aside key things like your passport, tickets, and wallet for easy access. Remember, the ultimate goal here is to travel light and stress-free. With these tips under your belt, you're ready to conquer packing for any trip. Now, you're all set to pack like a pro for your next trip. Safe travels!